Hi, this is Rajat from XetHub, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to load files directly from XetHub into Pandas using pyxet. Let's get started. From our Jupyter Notebook, we'll start by importing pyxet and Pandas. Now all we need to do to load our file is to specify the URL for it when we call read CSV. And what you can see from this URL is it starts with zet:// and then the repo URL followed by the branch and then the file path. And there you go. We've got our CSV loaded in our Jupyter Notebook directly from XetHub using Pandas. Thanks.